Peekaboo.
I can't see you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Are you hungry?
Feed me.
Have a finger.
What's it doing?
I am filming a video to sell you on eBay. What do you think of that?
Sweet dreams. Hello.
Hello.
Let's move our feet. Play to the beat. Singing wah, wah, wah.
Hey everybody, how you doing today? I have FurReal friend Squawker McCaw.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. I have...
I see you.
I see you too. He has no remote or cracker. You can do a lot more if you get the remote. But he works the way he is. You
What
just
do you
can't do
want?
everything. I want to sell you on eBay. For money. What do you think of that?
Good night.
Oh, you don't like that. You're going to sleep, huh? That's fine.
Hi there.
Hello.
How you doing?
No, I'm fine. How are you?
Talking to you.
I didn't ask you what you were doing. I asked you how you were doing. You hungry?
Feed me.
Sorry, I don't have your cracker. Peekaboo.
I can't see you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
You tired?
Sleep tight.
So he has a lot. Wake up. Hello? Wake up.
What's up?
A chicken's butt when he's eating. He has a sensor on the back of his neck here that has to be pushed, which will make him coo, and also he does another little...
Peekaboo.
And there's other phrases he responds
I'm
to.
hungry.
I just don't know them at the time. If you have the remote, you can program how he responds
Feed me.
and also what he responds to. So you can, you can put in what's your name and then record
Talking to you.
squawkers. And then whenever anybody says what's your name, he'll repeat squawkers or whatever you want to put in there. But you need the remote for that. He also has a cracker, which you don't have, and when you feed him, he's supposed to
What's
put
he
it in his
doing?
mouth and he'll chew on it. I'm making a video for eBay so I can sell you. What do you think? Sound good?
Sweet dreams.
Yeah, going to sleep again, huh? Wake up. Hello.
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 I love you.
Well, I don't love you. That's why I'm selling you.
What's up?
A chicken's butt when he's eating. Was that a parrot laugh? Took you a second to get it? Uh-huh. Woohoo!
What's up?
I told you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
I see you too.
Chillin'.
You're chilling?
Hanging around.
What are you doing?
Talking to you.
Why?
Nighty night.
I'm going to give you a better close-up on him here. It's very clean. I don't see any problems with him. Fur-wise or anything.
Feed me.
I don't have your cracker. Hello?
I love you. Peekaboo.
Hang on a second. Gotta fix his back because the battery compartment's still open. I'll close it up for you so you can see what it looks like closed. Here's his switches. And you have Parrot Talk off. Or excuse me. You have Parrot Talk Mix Custom Speech, which you'll need the remote for that. You can program them. If you get the remote, you can program how he responds and the command that he responds to. And then down the bottom you have demo and play and off. And the battery compartment's clean. I'll show you that in a minute. So that's about it, folks. Like I said, he's clean. The only thing that I seen that looks like it could be a little bit of dirt is right in there. But I don't know if that's dirt, a little glue, a little bit shown underneath. Either way, it's well hidden, and you can just go like that. Hello?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Well, thanks for watching. If you get them, hope you have a lot of fun with them. Y'all have a good day.
Good night.